Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Chef Hizzie Kitchen. Here is a quick recipe for the Lachha Paratha's. You need to take 3 cups of white flour, 1/4 cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Then add water gradually. If you want your hands clean, then beat it up with electric beater and then knead it with your hands for 4 to 5 minutes and then cover it up and refrigerate it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour you have this soft dough. So now you need to knead it again for 4 to 5 minutes with your greasy hands to make soft dough. Now make 4 portions out of it. With 3 cups of white flour you can make 4 big peras. So now sprinkle some dry flour on the floor and make your roti as thin as you can and grease it up with ghee or oil. And now make fine and thin lines with knife or cutter. You do not need to worry how sticky it is, just assemble it as easily as you can and make a roll like this. If you want a detailed recipe, you can check out my YouTube channel, link is given in my bio. Now make it bigger with your hands. Do not use baleen. Now put it in the pan and grease it with ghee. And after 5 minutes, your crispy Lachha Paratha is ready. You can take it in Sahoor and Ramadan Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.